what percentage of like lab grown sales to natural, if you have that number? That's great insight for, other jewelers. And that's why I wanted to ask you about that stuff. I do want to ask you is,
Sure.
how are you guys, or have you guys started to think about the AI revolution? And what are you guys putting in place to, let me just tell you, it's either going to make or break. We have independent jewelers, kind of competing with these big box stores to begin with. You may be a good jeweler. You're probably not a good marketer. You probably don't know nothing. You're in trouble, so,
The interesting thing is, I've been thinking about this because I've known about the premise of this podcast for a while. It cannot say, Anthony, I know you've got this ring in front of you, and I know it seems daunting. But just imagine the look on her face when you're on one knee and she is crying and you are so proud to hold this box in front of her.
Yeah.
AI cannot make that relationship.